Black. Ay. Okay. Sino, Christine?
Oh, nagtututi.
I heard it for good news. Yeah, it's true. Jesus healed the sick. What? What's true? He healed the sick.
He healed the sick and gave sight to those who couldn't see.
To those who couldn't see.
Oh my God.
He
Naggaling.
healed the deaf. Huh?
Did what?
He healed the deaf.
He healed the deaf and walked on the Sea of Galilee.
Yeah, he walked.
Galing niya eh. Galing ni Lord G.
With the only two fish.
And 5 loaves of bread.
Pangawit.
To those that judgment on the Bible is God's infallible word. Just be said to God, see as you read. You'll be. Blessed by what is worth.
Okay.
Nice. Galing.
Grabe.
Hala, galing.